Welcome to today's news. AP DSE syllabus for classes 3 to 10 out. The Department of School Education, Andhra Pradesh, has released the AP DSE 2024 syllabus for classes 3 to 10. Candidates can download the syllabus through the official website of AP DSE at apdse2024.apcfss.in. The syllabus has been released for secondary grade teachers, school assistants, TGTs, and special education, TGTS, PGTS, principals, and physical education teachers. Get more details from official website https://apcfss.in.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com.
Thank you.